With LOTEMAX GEL, loteprednol etabonate ophthalmic gel 0.5%, I'm confident I'm getting established postoperative ocular inflammation and pain control. In addition to my own clinical experience with LOTEMAX GEL, there are phase 3 trials that show statistical significance versus vehicle in both inflammation and pain control. Second, I'm going to get manageable tolerability with LOTEMAX GEL, which I expect from loteprednol. In the same phase 3 trials, only 2 of 408 patients treated with LOTEMAX GEL showed a significant IOP elevation. For me, this low incidence in IOP spikes is very important in choosing LOTEMAX GEL.